Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zelda Breath of the Wild on CEMU. First, ensure your computer meets the necessary system requirements for smooth emulation. You'll need the CEMU emulator itself and the game files for Breath of the Wild. A compatible controller is also highly recommended for the best gameplay experience. We'll cover each step in detail. To begin, download the most recent CEMU emulator from its official website. Once downloaded, extract all the files into a new, dedicated folder on your computer. Next, open CEMU and navigate to the input settings to configure your preferred controller. Finally, take a moment to adjust the graphics and audio settings for optimal performance on your system. Now, you'll need to obtain the game files for Breath of the Wild. Once you have them, place these files into a designated games folder within your CEMU directory. It's also important to install any necessary game updates and downloadable content to ensure the best experience. Double-check the game path in CEMU settings to confirm everything is correctly linked. For an even better experience, consider installing graphic packs to improve the game's visuals. Experiment with CEMU's CPU and GPU settings to find the best balance for your hardware. Utilizing a shader cache will also significantly contribute to smoother gameplay by reducing stuttering. With everything set, you're ready to launch the game and embark on your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.